How are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you a viral TikTok trend that will be done in an Indian way. Naan tandoori wraps. Do try it and let me know how they turned out. Easy to make yet very tasty. And let's go and see how to make this. There are so many lunch and dinner recipes available on my channel. If you didn't get chance to check them out, link will be in the description box below. Try them and let me know how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and now let's go and make this yummy wrap. Let's look at the ingredients we need to make this naan wraps, naan chicken kebab wraps, and let's see. So this is Costco naan. If you can get hands on ready-made naan, that would be awesome. It will be done in 5 to 10 minutes when the ingredients are ready. Onions and chilies, you can add tomatoes, capsicum, cilantro, everything. Any vegetable will go with it. Just try whatever you like. Right now I don't have capsicum. If I had capsicum, I would have added it. So this is my combo. I add too many chilies because I like mine spicy. And here is my chicken kebabs, ready-made chicken kebabs, which I made. Recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you want to check it out, please check the link in the description box to try them out. Otherwise, if you have some on your hand, just try them with that. I'm taking Maggi hot and sour sauce, mayo, one naan. So let's assemble this naan wrap quickly within 5 minutes. So first, my pan is hot. Let's heat it up. Let's slightly warm the naan so that it's nice and ready for us. When you see little brown marks, it's ready to assemble. I think it's ready. Let's go assemble. Keep the heat on low so that we can fry the naan wrap again. Let's go. We are going to cut the naan. Let me get the camera stand so that I can show you better. So here is our naan. We'll just take like half, find the center and just make a slit in the center like this. This is enough. Now let's start assembling. First layer is my chicken kebabs. We'll use this triangle portion for my kebabs. One more piece, that's good enough. And next layer is my onions and chilies. They go in here. Nicely assemble them. That should be good enough. And next layer is our sauce. Here is how I like to do it. Just press like 1 teaspoon should be good enough. And to this we'll add few drops of Maggi sauce. It will taste awesome. You need to trust me on this. Try it. Just spread it all around. I hope you can see it. And the last layer is cheese. Let me put cheese. And the last layer is cheese. Just add as little as you want or as much as you want. I would like to add medium. So let's fold this. Let me get everything out of the way and just keep folding. Sauce. Push it inside while you are folding. And there you have it. Let's nicely fry it now. Let me fry it. I'll show you. Add few drops of oil. And we put our wrap. Ready? cheese sides goes first so that cheese can melt and become nice and gooey. Push the chicken inside so that it will stay inside. Let it fry for around 1 minute, not even 1 minute, until cheese is nice and melted, and then we'll flip over and fry 1 more minute. Press it. It's not hot to touch, you can press it and flip it. See. Look at that crispiness. Chicken wants to come outside, onion wants to come outside, but we are not going to let them. Let me look if cheese is melted. Yes. Our naan wrap is perfectly ready. You can see how beautifully it turned out. Do try it and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be back with new video next time. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.